what is leadership for you, and what do you think are the qualities of a good leader, and how can someone become a leader without having that title, right? So I read this book by Robin Sharma called as Lead Without a Title, right? So what do you think about that?
I wanted to start with that, in fact, that you don't have to be a leader to be a leader. You got to be. So first of all, let us talk about what is leadership, right? Leadership is the ability to inspire people, to influence people, to take people in a direction that they even haven't imagined, to bring change in people's mindset which they never thought they can. For me, this is what I define as leadership. There's of course a lot of definitions of leadership and all that, but I've always believed that when you are given a title, it's very easy to be to be a manager. Let me tell you that people make you the leader. Your company makes you a manager. And the biggest difference between these two is you don't actually manage people. You actually lead people. You manage non-living things. You manage a warehouse. You manage your inventory. You manage the kitchen. You don't manage people. The word manage people sounds very derogatory, in fact. It is what are you managing them? Is there a problem that you have to manage? You know what I mean? Like, that is galat hai wo. You have to lead people. You got to, that is where I think, but a lot of people think the moment they become a manager, they are a leader. They're not. Just because you have 10 people reporting to you, they have to accept you. They have to say that you are the person I want to follow. Right? So the qualities of a leader is somebody who is able to generate that warmth, who is able to make you feel comfortable. Like just a couple of days ago, I had a one-on-one with one of the salesperson who's newly joined in Bhopal, and he had joined from a competition. So when I had a one-on-one with me, first 5 minutes he was literally trembling. I said, "Kya ho gaya? Itna tension kyun hai?" He said, "Sir, I cannot believe that you're giving me time. Why do you have to talk to me? I'm like 5 levels below you." So and he said, the one word he said which really struck a chord. He said, "I feel respected in this organization. कि मेरा भी कोई माने रखता है यहाँ पे." I think that's what a leader can do, is pick up a phone, for example, call somebody and say, "How are you doing? If you want anything, I'm here for you. Don't worry about it." So that's what I define.
Right. I was recently listening to Gaurav Munjal, the CEO of Unacademy, and he was talking about how he practices all the principles that he has laid down for Unacademy, like the culture that he has created. So he says this thing that culture is what you actually show, not something that you put on a wall and like you tell people to follow that. So yeah, that's totally, that makes sense.
So I will tell you certain qualities, right? Basic qualities for a leader is down to earth, being humble, being accessible, so that he or she is able to listen to people. A leader is someone who will walk the talk, who has first of all very high integrity, wouldn't break rules of engagement, doesn't abuse his power, is able to take you to where you cannot go. For example, Indra Nooyi took the organization at the peak of the cola wars. She introduced Gatorade and Quakers health drinks, which time the whole board actually rejected her opinion. They said, "You're kidding, you're being incorrect." But she said, "No, this is the future." She took the organization to that direction, and today we know the result. Health drinks are the most popular. People are not drinking so much cola as before. So that's what a leader is. The leader is able to see the future. He or she is a visionary. They're able to see that Ishan, for example, has the quality to be a CEO. I see that in him today. Let me groom him to that. And I can tell you, I have hundreds of examples, hundreds of people who are actually my secretary, who's today HR director in the company in a span of 5 years. I don't see her as a secretary, but I saw her as so leader, somebody who's able to see the future of people.